So it's been 3 days since the flooding started, and it is still crazy back there. It still looks like a lake. Let's go have a look. Chickens are not in the coop, not to worry. They were moved before the storm. Again, that's all cornfield and hay fields. It's just freezing here. Absolutely wild weather. Oh, it seems like it's starting to melt or something. Hear that? It's kind of funny because it's like frozen waves. The way that it came in waves like this and then froze. It's kind of neat. I hope my grass isn't all ripped up when it melts. Came in fast. Well, that's wild, eh? And we're supposed to get more rain tomorrow, the next day, possibly the day after that. So the flooding's still all behind me and we have more rain coming. Wish us luck.
One of the hedge ripped right off her.
Oh.
Longest roofing nails ever. Hopefully these hold up for a bit.
Yeah.
Whoever nailed them on nailed them way too high. They got the nails way up here.
Oh.
The nails are supposed to be down lower.
Yeah. So you won't believe it. Today is the day I was supposed to take my car in to get fixed. If you haven't seen, there is a video where I got into a car accident. Somebody else hit me. Everything's okay with me, but the vehicle needed to be fixed. So I was scheduled to bring it in today, finally, to get it fixed after it's been like, I don't know, at least a month, maybe a month and a half, because they had to wait for the parts. It's just been crazy. So I finally get here today. I drive all the way in this morning, like 45 minutes, and I call the car rental company. Well, they don't have a car for me. I was like, you have got to be kidding me. So now I'm killing time in town. I thought, well, I'll go to the mall or something while I wait for a car to get in, and the mall's closed. I'm having a heck of a morning. So I'm just going to kill a little bit more time here in town, and hopefully they call me with a car rental. If not, I gotta go all the way back home and then bring it back in tomorrow or next week. If they don't have a car rental for me by tomorrow, the guy said to wait till next week. So it's not in over the weekend. How frustrating. God. So they finally got me a car, and yeah, I brought my car in to drop it off, and I've been sitting here waiting for like 20 minutes, waiting for my rental car to get here. I'm telling you, today is not my day. So I'm gonna keep sitting here in my car and waiting till my rental car gets here. And when it gets here, I'll show it to you. And then I'm going to the mall. All right, so here's the car. Nothing fancy, just a Camry. She's making use of the ice. Wowzers. Woo! Woo! It's crazy. All right, so back in the house, it's time to do my chores. Gotta clean the litter, get the fire going, and get a workout in. Now that that stinky job's done, time to bring some fire over. Time to bring some wood over near the wood stove and get that going. did was rows. I did 10. I do 5 sets of 10. And then I did rack deads. I don't do deads off the ground because my formation isn't all that great. And I find that I get a really sore back when I do them off the ground. So if I just do them off the rack here, I don't have any problems with my back. So that's what I'm doing. And again, 5 sets of 10 as well. And then squats. So I'll do 5 sets of that as well, and then on to the next thing. And that was calf raises, and after that I'll just do a couple curls to finish up. Great guys, well thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.